How to buy Anime token on Uniswap version 3. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. You're able to buy this token on Uniswap version 3. Click on this markets as you can see, and you will be able to see this Uniswap version 3. Click on this pair link as you can see. Now after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds, click on trade on Uniswap. Now you'll be able to relax to the Uniswap page. So what you need to do here, it's easy and simple. Connect your wallet first, of course. Select the wallet that you use, for example, MetaMask. Now after that, click on connect to connect your wallet to your to Uniswap. So if you don't find your token here, go back to this token page on CoinMarketCap, copy the token address from here, but remember this token address is under the Ethereum network. Go back to Uniswap, click here and select first the Ethereum as a network. Now place the token address here as you can see. So this is our token, click on it to be able to find it here. Now from the top it is simple, select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Uniswap. So this is how to buy Anime token on Uniswap version 3. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.